Hi, it's Monica from Rollbar. Today, I'll show you how to integrate Rollbar into your Python project so that you can catch and fix errors in real time. Here I have the Rollbar onboarding screen up. This is the screen you will encounter if you just signed up for Rollbar. If you already have existing Rollbar projects, then you can create a new project under the projects list. Here I have a Python REST API which I want to integrate with Rollbar. Now let's go back to the Rollbar onboarding page and click on the Get Started button. On this page, I can select the SDK, which in this example is Python. Now let's click on View Setup Instructions. Right off the bat, I am going to name my project so that I can identify which project this is. This is especially important if I have multiple applications I want to integrate with Rollbar. Now, in step 1, I can copy the Rollbar requirement into my requirements file. Next, I'll copy the environment data, which includes the Rollbar access token, to my local environment file. Then, I'll copy the initialization code for Rollbar and paste this into my main file. Let's also log any API errors to Rollbar by adding this line to the handler in the API error so that I can test it. Finally, I want to add some test custom data and person data into my Rollbar errors so that I can see what this looks like. I'll add this payload handler into the initialization code. Then I'm going to save these changes, and right off the bat, let's install all the requirements first from the requirements file. Then I'm going to start my API server. Now I'll trigger an error using this API call to trigger a division by zero error. Going back to the Rollbar onboarding screen, once the error is detected in the system, it will take me to the items list page. Here I can see my division by zero error. Let's click into it and see its details. Scrolling down to the parameters, you can see a lot of other parameters, but you can also see the custom data we added as well as the people tracking data I've added to the error. And that's it. For more configuration details, you can refer to Rollbar's documentation at docs.rollbar.com.